You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at what is the meaning of this expression, this informal expression used in slang. It essentially designates a male friend, a buddy if you wish, and it's also a form of address when you address somebody. Bruh, what do you mean, bruh? Bruh is how you say it, and that was what it means. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting vocabulary and what they mean. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching, bruh. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.